Alright, this is how I peel green chili. This is roasted today about 2 or 3 hours ago. It's mild, it's Big Jim is the variety. It's from Hatch, New Mexico. And here's how I do it. I fill up a clean sink with halfway with lukewarm water, and you're just gonna dump these in. Save the bag because you're gonna reuse that. Just spread them around a bit. It's better if you get it freshly roasted, same day or a couple hours is fine. What they're going to do is you're going to put them in a bag, or they're going to put them in a bag, maybe one of these type of bags, Ziploc, or even a shopping bag. Just make sure it's wrapped up tight. Keep it in there for a couple hours after they roast it. When you get home, let your house smell up full of good chili smells, and that heat is slowly going to help the skin come off the chili. So what I usually do is put them in the warm water and just start peeling. Find the skin and pinch it off, or sometimes it'll just slide right off, but this one is on there kind of tight, so we just pinch. Get it all off. And what I do is I poke a hole, slide it down, and then I pull off the top. And then that way all the seeds are like that. Skim it on the water and all the seeds will fall off. Double check, make sure you got it off. Got it all. And then I put it on my cutting board here. If some seeds are left, that's okay. Just don't leave a whole lot. I don't like the texture. There we go, pinching it off, sliding. And that's off. Pop a hole, slide down, pop the top. And skim the water and the seeds come off. Double check. Little bits like that is fine. It's just scorch marks. And put it on the pile. Go on the next one. Pinch, 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 pull. Some people will freeze it in this state and then thaw it out and then peel it. I'd rather peel it while it's still nice and warm and then freeze it for later. And that way when I need it for a burrito or a cheeseburger or just a soup of some sort, I don't have to worry about having to peel it because it's already there. And I'll freeze it in these like little sheets. And that way I can either use it whole or chop it up then. Some people chop it up and then freeze it. Veins in the seeds are where the heat is. So you can either pull them off or leave them on. If they're hanging off, I pull them off. But if not, I leave them on. And you get a rhythm. It goes pretty quick. And it's good to have a bunch of these saved up in your freezer in the winter time when the season's over and you can't get anything but canned green chili, which is okay in a pinch, but not as good as the real stuff, so to speak. And these little black flakes are okay. They're just from the scorching of the heat. Does not affect the flavor. Pinch, pull down. Poke, slide, pop. Skim the surface, seeds pass off, fall off. And pop. That's how I do it. You get the hang of it. This is what they look like, and I will put them back in that plastic bag and freeze them, and it'll look like that. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Who knows what I'm going to make a video of next. Thanks.